English together.
Conversation 1. What will you do tomorrow?
I will visit my grandparents.
That's nice. Will you spend the whole day with them?
Yes, I will. We will have lunch together and talk about old times.
That sounds lovely.
How about you? What will you do tomorrow?
I will go shopping.
What will you buy?
I will buy a new jacket.
That's cool. What about John? Will he go shopping with you?
No, he won't. He needs to work tomorrow.
Oh, I see. That's understandable.
Conversation 2.
What will you do tomorrow?
I'm going to the beach with my family tomorrow.
Oh, that sounds fun. Are you excited about it?
Yes, I can't wait. We will swim, build sandcastles, and have a picnic.
That's great. What else will you do in the future?
Well, next week, I'm going to start learning how to play the guitar.
That's cool. Who will teach you?
My friend will teach me. He's really good at it.
Nice.
Don't forget to give us a like and share with your friends.
Conversation 3.
What are your plans for the summer?
This summer, I will travel to Europe with my family.
That sounds amazing. Will you visit any specific countries?
Yes, we will visit France, Italy, and Spain.
That's fantastic.
How about you? What are your plans for the summer holidays?
Well, I will learn to play the piano.
That's great. Will you take lessons or learn on your own?
I will take lessons from a professional piano teacher.
That's cool.
And that's all. Remember to watch this video again because repetition can help you in learning English. If you like our video, remember to like it and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. See you next time.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.